Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to another Fat Cat's Garage. Today we have an '01 Dodge Stratus RT 3.0. So what we got problems today is the sunroof does not come down, and high beams are stuck on. I noticed there's no dash lights, so we'll get into some other stuff here, and this is how I do it, I guess. So, step one. Step one, we're going to get in and assess the issue. If I can get my big ass in here. All right. So, turn it on. And this thing will not come down. So, I'm assuming it's a switch. Oh, okay. Well, that was easy. Looks like 2 Phillips. I don't got my flashlight, which is bad. And high beams are stuck on. I don't know if you can see it, but the blue light is on. I can't change anything. Left signal works. Right. Well, I mean, there we go. Whatever. So right off, this switch is bad. So, like, nothing is coming on. Unless you have to turn it on. Let's find out. Got a little exhaust leak. Nothing's coming on. So, first we're going to assume what? Come on, people. Fuses are bad. Now, as I can see, no radio's coming on. No, this should be. I can't remember what the Dodge does. No dash lights. This ain't working. So we want to check the fuses first. I think this does work. Yeah, okay, this does work. No light. Oh, I think I did see a light. There we go. Well, I mean, that could run on a different fuse. So let's go ahead and check fuses. So first of all, let's see what it says here. It says not a damn thing. It says ching chong, ching chong. No, I can't say that. It's not politically correct. A lot of things are not working, so because it's a Dodge, let's go ahead and pull everything and just go through everything, you know? Now what happens if all these are good? Well, we're gonna have to go to a different fuse box, apparently. It's not something I really want to do if it's underneath the dash. I'm a big dude, you know? I don't really want to do that. Everything's looking good so far. I don't understand. It's a Dodge, right? Dodges usually have wire issues. That's just known for Dodge. So if you ever want to go out and buy you a brand new Hemi, just know they're probably going to end up having wire issues on down the line. Well, everything's looking good here. That's not good because, oh, it is a Dodge Stratus, right? Mitsubishi symbol on there. You know, I was thinking it looked like an Eclipse. Huh, nice. The front ECU, well, that's not, doesn't need to be pulled out. Okay. So, it means there's another fuse box somewhere. Yes, sir. Now, I need my little pliers again. Yep. So we're going to go through all these and figure it the fuck out. Oh, what is that? The first one. All right. Well, we got this first one here that's all bad, so let's keep going. Looks like there's a bunch here. We got to go through them all because there's so many things that's wrong with this vehicle. I'm assuming that's going to be the only fuse, but again, when it comes to Dodges, this is something you really need to do, is go through every single fuse. Is that a bad one? Ooh, it looks a little melted, but I don't think it's bad. So we'll put it back in there. Don't know why it's melted. All right, well, so far I got a couple left here. Those are extras. Okay, so it's just that one. All right, well, let's change that out, see what happens. So, let's put this 25 in it, see what it does. Okay. All right. Here we go, 25. I almost heard it move. Maybe not. Still nothing's coming on. No radio? Like, what, flashers don't work? Huh. Okay, well, the high beam still on. What happened to all the dash light? Like, where'd everything go? Where's all dash lights at? I have no signals. Whoa, 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 fucking whoa. I have nothing. I don't even think I got headlights, no. What the fuck? Oh, bro. I put all of them back in, I pushed them in. Yeah, they're all back in. They're all in. Oh, the ECU. Oh, that's right. I don't think that has anything to do with it. That wasn't even in all the way. Oh, wait, the headlights on? No, nothing. What the hell? What the fuck? Now I'm not getting nothing on a dash. Oh, son of a bitch. How do I make something worse by touching fuses? You tell me that. We'll be back. All right, so I went through all these fuses. I even switched some of these out just to make sure. Because our main problem is, why ain't the dash lights working? What the hell's going on? I found one fuse. Don't ask which one it was. I think it was, I don't remember. It looked funny and I changed it out. I couldn't really tell if it was bad or good because, well, it just looked like corrosion was on it, so I couldn't tell. Then I came over here, I changed the fuses. Well, I looked at all of them, and hear that? There's a beep. Now, I didn't actually replace anything over here. So, let's see what happens. I see this is still up. I don't know yet. I haven't worked on that yet. I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Well, did you see that? Dash lights. It even shows there's 106,000 miles on it. What is this? The radio? What is that? The temperature. Okay, so the high beams are not on because I have it unhooked right now. So let's see. I still have that hooked up. So I want to find out if this switch is going to work, which I'm assuming it will. Wait, how did that even... Because this is the backing plate for that. How would that even... I mean, if that's what it does. All right, let's find out. Okay, well, nothing's working. Let's see if we can jump it and see what it does. Nothing. That's not what I wanted. I want this damn thing to roll forward, and it's not seeming like, I don't understand. I am not too sure. Another thing, this didn't work. Oh, it actually works now. Yeah. Well, wait. Did the flashers come on? I couldn't get the turn signals to work. Oh, yeah. Flashers straight working. Oh, okay. But my signals don't work, so I'm guessing this is bad. That's okay for now. This is not working. Well, it's not a fuse because I went through all the fuses again. Now, this was unhooked. I don't know why, but I can unhook it again and see. I guess I'll just have to use this. I don't know how to take it off. I'm assuming. Oh, there we go. All right. So that's re-unhooked. I don't even know what it is. Makes no sense to me. Oh, does these work? What are these for? Looks like lights. They're probably burnt out. Okay. Oh, I just don't get why this is not doing anything. All right. Well, first things first. Let's start it up and see what it does. Got a little exhaust leak. Looks like the radio's gonna work. Oh, look at that. I thought I heard a CD in it. Looks like lights are on, everything. What about what about FM? No sound. Okay, well, all right. Better than nothing at the moment. I'm really enjoying the lights on this dash. I cannot figure this thing out, so guess I'll be back. All right. Unfortunately, I didn't record this, but I did the top ones. I put a wire on it, and I just jumped these wires. Sorry I didn't record this. I took the switch off, which I don't even know where the hell the switch went to now. That's not good. I took the switch out. There's a motherboard on here. So we can see this. So I took the switch out. The motherboard was on the switch. It's just a back and forth switch. And I took this wire, put it here, and this wire here. And I just touched it until it turned. You kind of got to press hard. And that's pretty much all I could say. And that's how you put your sunroof window back down, because it was pushed all the way back. And that was pretty much it for that. Sorry I did not record that. I finally got everything working, and I was just testing it without the camera. I'm gonna replace the switch on that. I couldn't find one at the junkyard, so next what we have is the turn signal switch, which is messing everything up. So we'll do that. So how do you take the switch out? All right, so there's a little clip right here. I'm gonna point right here. There's a little clip, you push that. And there's one right here, you push that. And it should pop right out. Boom, there's the bad one. Now we're gonna put the new one in, which is marked. Remember, it goes this way. So this is all it is. Just the wires in there, the teeth. Make sure you have that lined up perfectly. Snap, snap. All right. Now what our problem was is the old one was making everything not, it was blowing fuses and wire issues. Hazards work, that's good. The radio is working, but there's no sound. I have not figured that out. The customer doesn't care. All right, here we go, switch. It's all the way in. Still have issues, don't we? All right, that means we got to go back through all the fuses because I was messing with this before I put the new one in, so it may have popped fuses. So we're gonna recheck that. I'll just go ahead and put my fail on here, and I forgot to rehook this what controls everything in this switch. So yeah, let's try that again. Sorry, people. All right, keys on. There we go. Signal, signal, high beam, off. There it is. And dash and all. All right, this is a done project. Got to put everything back together. And yeah, that should be everything. Cool. Wonder why that check engine light's on, but that ain't my business at the moment because my reader broke. So.
Hey, did you like that video? Well, try these videos out. Have you seen this video yet? You have? Try that video. Oh, you've already seen that video? I don't know, replay this video. It's awesome. No, for real, watch one of these other videos. Seriously. The videos.